And we are live. What a day. Shh. No, hang on a second. Shout out to the team running the Bitcoin Pin Burger Bus. We just had our final inspection. We're good to go. So, at the club here in Sarasota, right out in front, we're going to have the Bitcoin Bin Burger Bus that can travel all over the country to every Bitcoin event that I think is useful and have it here for all of our members. If you're a member of the club, you get 25% off all meals. Oh, I love capitalism. Here's the menu so far. We're going to have the Bitcoin burger. Now, we're going to have the freedom fries, of course. We're going to have the HODL hot dog. We're going to have the Sailor sandwich, which is all in, has everything on it. We're going to have the Satoshi salad. No veggie burgers, right? My friends. And we're going to have toasted ravioli. That's a St. Louis thing. And I love toasted raviolis. Mwah. In the chat, I need you guys to come up with a name for the toasted raviolis. All right? That's your job for today. So in the chat, come up with a good name for the toasted ravioli. Oh, that's a good name. The Divvy Double Stack. Oh, yes. Okay. Welcome to the show, everybody. My friends, we are on the cusp of a global financial change. We have the BRICS. We have everyone and their plucking brother joining the BRICS, right? Ooh, that's a good one. I like the BTC bites. Ooh, that's a good one. That's a good one. All right. I love my job. I love it. Okay, so we have everyone and their brother joining the BRICS nations, the BRIC road. All right. Ooh, the bit bites. Oh, we might have a winner. The bit bites. That's good stuff. Okay, I really like that bit bites. The bit bites. It's how. Oh, and last but not least, on the menu, I'm sorry, guys, I'm squirreling all over, will be the buy the dip nachos. Buy the dip nachos. Ah, I kill me. I literally kill me. All right. So we have everyone joining the friggin' BRICS. We have Saudi Arabia. We have uh, uh, we have Iran, Iraq, Qatar, like all of the Middle East, right, is literally it's literally joining the BRICS nation. Now, that's important. That is hugely important. But what's even more important is this, right? They're launching their own trading exchange. Now, this has not been announced yet, but my friends over in, shall we say, Dubai, have let me know that the BRICS nations are setting up an exchange for their companies. They're getting their companies off of the NASDAQ and the New York Stock Exchange. If you want to kill the Western world, you replace the stock market. And yes, they will offer Bitcoin on the exchange. I've already heard it from my guys in Dubai. My friend, wrecked ravioli. Oh my God. Oh my God. And we could put the marinara sauce on the raviolis so it looks like blood. Ah! This is the best day ever. Wrecked raviolis. That is so perfect. Oh my God. A horse pack we go. Next shock exchange is nothing but a racket anyway. Oh, no. What you don't understand is it's a blockchain tokenized. Hear me out, folks. The BRICS exchange will be tokenized. You can't launch, right? You can't launch on their exchange unless your shares are tokenized. This, my friends, I cannot understand that understand what this does. If Apple wants access to this whole capital market, they have to tokenize and prove their shares. No more fuckery. They have to prove their shares on the blockchain. Yes, Wall Street is good. They're fucked. They are Philly fucked. Yes, TJ, this will change everything. Oh, my friends, America, the government, and the financial system is done. They're done. And guess who's going to run the exchange? Take one guess on what crypto exchange is going to run the exchange. Binance. Binance is going to run the BRICS exchange through their system. Folks, it's over. It's over. The American federal government is done. And they're going to offer Bitcoin. And listen, my friends, listen to me. When I say this, you're going to lose your minds. The whole exchange has to be capitalized with Bitcoin. All of the countries can offer their currencies, but their currencies have to be capitalized with Bitcoin. When this goes live, folks, whoa, 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 whoa. That means that all of the BRICS economies will be adopting Bitcoin as a reserve currency to capitalize their markets. You know why China is in a hurry to open up the ETFs for Bitcoin? Because they just listen, folks, just like BlackRock, they have to seed the exchange. They have to have Bitcoin available. Remember the other day, remember a few weeks ago when that crazy man on Twitter, well, God, what's his name? Shit. El Salvador guy. What's his name? Damn it. Help me out, chat. Um, no. Yes, Max Kaiser. Remember a few weeks ago when Max Kaiser said Saudi Arabia will be buying, remember the number? It was like $50 billion worth of Bitcoin. Folks, that's one country. One country. Oh, I'm sorry. You're right, Ed. It was 500 billion. Won't Saudi wipe out all remaining coins with that purchase? Folks, when Saudi Arabia starts buying those, it's going to skyrocket the price of Bitcoin. No. All right. It will not be an over-the-counter transaction. No, there's not enough Bitcoin in the over-the-counter at all. This is what I'm telling you guys. And for Christ's sakes, folks, when Bitcoin hits, remember what I told you yesterday, the hash rate alone is calling for 200, a minimum of $250,000 per Bitcoin. Why would these miners, think about this, why would these miners be, why haven't they shut off their miners? Why is the hash rate still going up? Why wouldn't they shut off their miners if they thought the price wasn't going to rise? Remember, the miners are the lowest level of price production. So if a Bitcoin costs $250,000 to produce, what's it going to sell for on the market? Yes, buying slowly keeps the price affordable for them. But when you have a whole globe that is buying slowly, suddenly, off, gone. Price skyrockets. Everything they've accumulated goes up. they're instantly capitalized with the price appreciation. Right. It it becomes a global pissing contest. And the water that they're all drinking is the US dollar held in reserves in their country. See, this is what's going to happen, folks. All these countries are going to reject the dollar and they're going to sell the dollar. But the SWIFT system is not going to let them sell their dollars into America because that would cause hyperinflation. So what are they going to do? They're going to use their dollars to purchase Bitcoin. And that's going to cause the price of Bitcoin in dollars to skyrocket. Because the only thing they'll be able to buy is Bitcoin. No one else is going to want their shitty ass dollars. And in order to get Bitcoin with shitty ass dollars, you're going to have to pay 250,000 shitty ass dollars for Bitcoin. And the Federal Reserve is going to have to keep the inflation rate artificially low here in America. So while we all hold Bitcoin and our wallets are skyrocketing, the Federal Reserve is going to be struggling to keep the inflation rate down so the things we buy here in America are going to stay cheaper, except just for us. While the rest of the American citizens, are getting bitch slapped with what they see as rising inflation, it's not going to be nowhere near the inflation rate against Bitcoin. The Fed is fucked. They won't be able. The only thing that they could do is jack up the interest rate to match the price appreciation of Bitcoin. That would mean the Federal Reserve, and I'm not fucking joking, folks, that would mean the Federal Reserve would have to adjust the interest rates to over 100%. They'd have to be giving you more money. They'd have to be giving you twice the money that you put in to keep up with Bitcoin. Bye-bye. Bye-bye, Fed. Bye-bye, bonds. Bye-bye, everything. Bye-bye. You go bye-bye. Right. Remember when oil was negative per barrel? Yep, that's what the American bond will be. The American bond. You put up $100, they'll give you $200 in 3 months. The inflation will destroy the bond system. Bye-bye bonds. You go bye-bye. Yep. Iran has officially joined the BRICS. My friends, this is all good. I'm telling you, folks, why do you think that the progressives in Washington, D.C. are all of a sudden, El Salvador is a problem? Have you seen on Twitter? Right? Oh my gosh. El Salvador. El Salvador is losing its democracy. Oh, go marry your brother, bitch, and mind your business. My friends, 2024 is going. Remember the 1988 economic magazine that had the gold coin around the neck of the phoenix flying out of the ashes of fiat? Ooh, did anyone else just get chills? Oh, my brother sends me a super chat. Entering raffle to win 1 ounce of gold. I remember that. All right, for those of you that don't remember, this was, my God, how many years ago was that, Crypto Angels? That was, like 2 or 3 years ago. I raffled off 1 ounce of gold live on my show. And Crypto Angels won it. Yeah, oh, man. Oh, by the way, you guys, please listen to me. Word from the sponsor. Get your crypto laptop now. Folks, I swear to God, if one of you call me in the future and go, Ben, somebody hacked my Trezor. I plugged it into my shitty laptop and I got spooked. I'm going to reach through the phone and I'm going to slap the shit clean out of you. All right. Word from the sponsor.
Are you buying and selling cryptos on the same laptop? Are you buying and selling cryptos on the same laptop that you're using?
Or maybe not. Where the hell? Come on now.
Are you buying and selling? Are you buying and selling cryptos on the same laptop that you're using to browse the internet, read
Hang
your
on one
email,
second.
and visit
I'll be
social
right
media
back.
sites? If so, you're exposing your crypto.
Okay, I'm back. Let's try this again.
Are you buying and selling cryptos on the same laptop that you're using to browse the internet, read your email, and visit social media sites? If so, you're exposing your cryptos to theft. Whenever you're online, you're at risk of getting hacked and having your identity stolen. How would you feel if someone stole all of your cryptos? What would that do to your finances? Guard your cryptos with a safe and secure laptop from CALIX Solutions. Each laptop is set up just for you and your cryptos, and then we walk you through exactly how it works. Don't risk the security of your cryptos. Order a crypto laptop from CALIX Solutions now to secure your crypto future. Learn more at calixsolutions.io.
And we're back. Sorry about that, folks. My computerized machine was having lagging issues. Okay, we are jumping off YouTube. Sorry, YouTube. We are going to the private server, right? Now, this is the link for the private server right there. Use that link with your camera. Or there's a link under the video for the private server. Folks, I got an hour and a half worth of ranting to do, an hour and a half of educating to do, an hour and a half of getting you guys hyped up. And that doesn't even count the woo-woo show at 3 o'clock. So, bye-bye, YouTube. Bye-bye,